Alrighty, guys. Good morning. How we doing? Let's get into it to close out the week here today. On August 14th, Friday, closing out the second week of August, third week of August, sorta. Yeah, second full week of August here. So, um, just pretty dead price action overnight as is expected. Not much going on. We're pretty much in the same spot that we were at um, when we closed yesterday. So nothing's really changed on that front. Now, what to do in terms of some new entries. So the first best entry from here on would be a 77.94/98 sort of failed breakdown. Now 98 is the new structure low we have. 94 is the bigger, time frame level from this mode 2 resistance that we just kind of broke out of. So ideally the best setup here would be we lose both and then reclaim 94 and 98 with some momentum, trap some shorts, and then get back up moving again. So that would be the best entry here on down. Below that, we have a 77.77 potential failed breakdown idea, a low we set from yesterday morning. And then below there, we have a 77.56.60. There's a little bit of a shelf here of lows. So potentially being able to get a failed breakdown of these lows would be an idea. And then below there, 77.38, which is a low we set on Tuesday afternoon, 77.38. So those are the four ideas to watch out for. Again, we're gonna need volatility to get any of it. So if we don't get any sell from here on out, just keep holding the runners. Like me personally, I've only had one trade this week, and that was the 77.44 failed breakdown on Tuesday afternoon, and then it's just been holding runners since. So it's been a pretty straightforward week in terms of trading. Again, not a lot going on, so there's not a lot of opportunities. So a lot of it has just been, if whenever we do get a sell, you got to be on alert, look for the long, take it, hold a runner for potentially a few days. And that's kind of been the theme of the week. So we'll see if we're able to get any volatility to trigger any of the setups we have below. If not, then like I said, continue holding the runner. As usual, it's a Friday, so friendly reminder again. If you're green on the week, which I'm assuming a lot of you guys are because there hasn't been a ton of stuff that would potentially make you red. Just risk a portion of the profits. Make sure you close the week off strong. Don't go green to red here to end the week. And we'll take it from there. Couple more weeks left of the summer trading. I know it's getting a bit redundant and probably a little annoying for a lot of you guys that are maybe newer to the system or maybe newer to trading summer, where you're just kind of like, why is this thing like, why does this have no pulse? Like, why is it dead? Again, markets go through cycles, and this is just kind of the environment and cycle we're in. It's temporary. It won't last. Give it a few weeks. Once we hit post Labor Day, things will be moving, pretty fast and pretty heavy once again, and you'll see volatility return in great stages. So it's a little annoying for now, but we'll get through it. In the meantime, keep trading as simple as possible. We get a elevator sell down into a failed breakdown level. That's the only time to open up the platform and trade. Otherwise, just hold a runner and not much to do. Set your alerts. Don't need to stare at this all day when there's nothing going on. Set your alerts and walk away. So with that being said, if there's any questions in the chat, let me know. But if not, we will catch you guys in the Discord.